Get you the latest related to that Vibgyor school in Bangalore, which has now reopened after the rape of a 6-year-old and this rape, of course, that happened within the school premises. The parents of the school have asked for a refund of the school fees.
Reason is basically, as you see how much cover-up they have done, and everywhere you see whenever somebody commits crime, first you set them aside and investigate, because they will be covering up day and night, and that's what is happening here. The principal, vice principal, coordinator, those people who are day to day running up this business, school, they are still functional. So how you can expect justice? They arrested Kerawala. He was sitting in Mumbai. The people who are running school day to day here, they were not touched. Why? Our main aim is, till those people are set aside and case is closed, they should not be responsible for running a business. Till that happens, I'm not going to send my son.
I have pulled my child out of the school.
And plans do you want? Have you demanded for a refund from the school?
I am going to do that.
Has the school anyway, have you held talks with the school? Because I've spoken to one section of the parents who have been holding talks with the management. Have they represented your side of the...
I've heard from some of my friends did came, and I think they were not responded very nicely back from the school. They were told that probably they were even asked to pay the balance fees also before going. So this is what I've heard, but then I have myself not come to the school for that.
Anusha is with us. Anusha, of course, the parents have completely lost confidence in the school administration, and one very valid point has been raised as to why is it that the school administration is just running business as usual now. I mean, there hasn't been any stringent action taken on the school authorities. This is an incident that happened within the school premises after all.
Well, as you rightly pointed out, that is a very valid concern. Now, the parents who have been united in the protest that they were holding against the school management seem to be divided as far as sending their children to school is concerned. Now, as of now, it is business as usual at this particular private school in Bangalore. But a lot of parents, at least about 100 to 150 parents, refusing to send their children back to school, stating that they are not yet convinced because no valid arrests have been made. Of course, the founder chairperson was arrested, but he was let off on a bail the very next day. The parents who are reluctant to send their children back to the school, asking what kind of a concrete action has been taken. It was a teacher of this particular school has been arrested in the connection, definitely yes. What about the second accused? Why is nobody talking about the second accused? Why is the management not making itself more accountable? These are the questions being raised.